Hey guys, today we're here with Pamit and we're going to be showing you how to do 4 awesome dry ice experiments, which are
a dry ice bomb and ice cream.
Right? And then we're also going to be showing you how to make a giant amount of bubbles in a kiddie pool, and we're also going to show you how to make individual smoke bottles with a water bottle. So let's get to it.
Do not try this at home.
Alright, for this experiment, we're going to make some dry ice cream, and for this, we're going to need some powdered sugar, some vanilla extract, some heavy whipping cream, and some milk, okay? I'm using 1% milk. I'm going to put my powdered sugar in first. Now, I'm going to do about a 1/4 cup, okay? So that's half of this half cup, obviously. We're going to do a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's half.
Definitely half. And then we'll grab some milk. We're actually going to put in a half cup of milk. Okay, that's a half cup. Alright, so now we're going to pour in just a little bit of vanilla extract, okay? Like a little bit. A little goes a long way. Okay, just like that much. Okay. So we're going to just put this to the side here. Alright, so now we're going to grab some dry ice and we're going to put it right in the blender. It's going to scream a little bit, alright? Okay. We got our dry ice here. Alright, plug in your little mixer and then we'll put it on here. Oh yeah. Good? Oh wow. Anyone want to try? What? Ice cream. There might be a little dry ice left at the bottom of the bowl. That is okay though, because all of it's in the bottom. When you scoop it up, if your spoon is not smoking at all, that means that there's no dry ice in there, and it is perfectly safe to eat. Look at that. Alright, let's move on to the next experiment. Alright, so for this next experiment, we are going to be creating a giant bubble maker with a kiddie pool.
So the materials are going to be soap, water, and dry ice.
Alright, so now we are going to be filling this baby pool with some water. Alright, so now we're just going to add a whole bunch of dish soap to this water. This is a full bottle of dish soap when we started, and you can see that it's about a little more than half empty. Alright. See? Alright, so for this experiment, we're going to create a bubble, basically a bubble tube that'll just spew out these little bubbles. And all we're going to need to do is grab a good-sized water bottle, okay? And then what I like to do is heat up a screwdriver so that we can melt right through this plastic, okay? It's very, very, very hot, obviously. Oh, there we go. We're getting a good melt on that.
Just like butter.
All right, so we have duct tape and we have this tube here. This is plastic, okay? Make sure your hole isn't hot anymore. And we insert the tube into here. And now we're gonna duct tape it so that it's airtight, okay? So that none of the fog is gonna leak out of here. All right. All right, we have this all duct taped up, airtight and tight in there. Make sure you turn your blowtorch off, by the way. All right, so we're just gonna set this down right on the towel. Just gonna break into little pieces. Yeah, that'll fit inside of the bottle. All right, now while he's doing that, I'm gonna grab a small container, just like this soda cap container. Just pour a little bit of water in here, your container. And then we can grab some dish soap, okay? Screw on the cap again. Shake it up. Alright, so now we have a bubble solution. And now we're going to pour some water into this bottle. This is the bottle with our tube attached to it. Now with the meat, you just put in some dry ice. Alright, so now we're just going to screw on the cap. And now all of the fog, now this is completely airtight, but we have this fog coming out of the tube. So that's just to show you, demonstration. We'll dip it into the bubble solution. Okay. Got a nice bubble. And then we can just put our hand over this. Hopefully the bubble will blow up. Whoa, that was awesome. And I just spilled all my soup. Whoa, that's like the best. And we dip it. Put our hand over it, and it fills with fog. Wait, watch this. Oh wait, I was gonna. Did you see how it stayed?
It just
as it fell. Alright, for reasons that I don't really remember, we didn't film how to actually do this experiment, but for the first experiment we're going to make a dry ice bomb, which we have already done here, but basically all you're going to have to do is put some warm water into a water bottle, followed by some dry ice, and then just screw on the cap very tight, throw it, and run away very quickly. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video.
We hope you enjoyed. Smash that like button and subscribe.
We'll see you in the next video.